And now PLRs, keep watching. This upcoming showcase is a game changer, outshining every machine you've ever seen with unmatched innovation. The MHB delivers up to 3,000 FTLBs of impact energy, efficiently breaking large concrete sections. The setup includes noise reduction measures, ensuring minimal disruption during airport maintenance and infrastructure projects. Rex, the dual-powered 20-wheel dump truck, offers over 1,000 kilometers of range, a 90-ton payload capacity, and superior maneuverability. Its on-demand power technology reduces fuel consumption while providing outstanding operator comfort and easy maintenance, making it a top choice for efficient, high-performance hauling. The Jetfoil Topi 3, operating between Tanegashima and Yakushima, represents a marvel of high-speed maritime transport. Departing from Nishinumoti Port, this advanced ferry offers a swift and smooth journey, cutting travel time significantly. Its sleek design and powerful Jetfoil technology ensure a comfortable and efficient crossing, exemplifying modern innovation in high-speed ferry services. Next is the Crest Coal Haulers, are heavy-duty vehicles designed for mining efficiency. With a payload capacity of 250 tons, an overall length of 41 feet 4 inches, and a height of 15 feet 2 inches, these haulers are powered by a 1,000 horsepower diesel engine. They offer a maximum speed of 20 mil/s and feature a hydraulic rear dump system for efficient unloading. Godness. The Bracken Recycling Shear Core Fortress FS55 shears are robust tools for heavy-duty demolition and recycling. With a cutting force of 1,500 kN and designed for excavators of 30 to 50 tons, it features an 800 mm jaw opening. The hydraulic system ensures precision and efficiency, making it ideal for processing steel and tough materials. The Cat Cold Planers are high-precision machines for milling asphalt and concrete. Powered by a Cat C 9.3 engine, they offer cutting widths of 1,000 mm PM310, 1 to 200 mm PM312, and 1,300 mm PM313. With advanced grade and slope control, they ensure consistent cutting depth and smooth surface results across various applications. Discover the largest waterside excavator in the USA, employed by Great Lakes Dredge and Dock for Boston Harbor dredging. This colossal machine, with a bucket capacity of 45 cubic meters and a digging depth of 30 meters, delivers immense power and efficiency. Its advanced hydraulic system and robust construction are designed to handle the most demanding dredging tasks with precision. Japan Railway's latest innovation, a humanoid robot with a striking 80s sci-fi design, is set to revolutionize maintenance tasks. Mounted on a truck, this futuristic machine boasts a remarkable 12-meter vertical reach and a capacity to handle up to 40 kilogos. Initially tackling tree trimming and metal frame painting, it promises to alleviate worker shortages and elevate safety standards in maintenance operations. The Demolition XXL 76 Siemens is a powerful demolition machine with a 76-meter reach, ideal for dismantling tall structures safely. Its hydraulic arm and high-performance attachments ensure precision and efficiency in large-scale demolition projects, minimizing risks in hazardous environments. The Sandvik DD212 is a compact underground drill rig ideal for small-scale tunneling and mining. It features a 20 kW electric motor and a boom reach of up to 10.5 meters, offering precise drilling and excellent maneuverability in tight spaces. The C-RAM, counter-rocket, artillery and mortar system is a cutting-edge defense technology designed for high-speed interception. It boasts a fire rate of up to 4,500 rounds per minute and an effective range of 1 to 2 kilometers. Equipped with advanced phased array radar, it can simultaneously engage multiple threats using 20 mm projectiles, providing robust protection in combat zones. Introducing Sandvik's latest innovation, the battery electric dump truck for underground mining, boasting an impressive 65-ton payload capacity. This cutting-edge machine is set to begin testing at an Australian gold mine soon, with commercial production expected next year. We eagerly anticipate the start of mass production and look forward to enthusiastic feedback from users. You won't believe it. The Liebherr R9800 is a heavy-duty mining excavator with a 2,620 kcal, 3,640 HP engine and an operating weight of around 810 tons. It features a 52 MET3, 68 YD3 bucket capacity and advanced hydraulics. Its Litronic Plus electronic control system ensures precise and efficient operation, making it ideal for large-scale mining tasks. We've witnessed how the harmony of heavy, incredible machines, extraordinary transformations to life. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into heavy machinery. Hit subscribe to keep up with our latest videos and let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. The CSM 0932 track tamper efficiently compacts and levels tracks with a working width of 2.5 meters and a maximum tamping force of 200 kN. Complementing it is the DGS62N dynamic track stabilizer, which dynamically stabilizes track alignment with precision, ensuring track durability and safety. These machines are essential for maintaining high-quality railway infrastructure. The CAT AD63 underground truck is built for high productivity in underground mining. With a 63-ton payload and a powerful CAT C27 engine, it delivers reliable performance in tough conditions. The truck features advanced controls, safety systems, and low emissions, making it an efficient and environmentally friendly choice for demanding mining operations. The Liebherr 996B is a powerful mining excavator with a 72-ton bucket capacity, driven by two 16-cylinder Cummins engines producing a total of 3,000 horsepower. It excels in heavy-duty excavation tasks. Its robust design and advanced hydraulics ensure optimal performance, making it ideal for large-scale mining operations in demanding environments. The Leopard TM Di650i is a high-performance hydraulic drill rig for mining and construction. It features advanced automation for precise drilling, reaching depths up to 35 meters with a diameter of 203 millimeters. Its robust design and smart controls enhance safety, reduce downtime, and boost productivity in demanding conditions. The Shuttle Carrier Aircraft, SCA, is a Boeing 747 modified to transport space shuttles. With a max takeoff weight of about 800 tons and payload capacity up to 70 tons, it features reinforced fuselage and aerodynamic design for secure and stable shuttle transport, essential for space missions. Oh my God, you won't believe it. This colossal monster features a 100 cubic yard bucket and a 300-foot boom reach. This 4,000-ton dragline is powered by a high-capacity diesel engine designed for efficient coal and overburden handling. Advanced hydraulic and control systems ensure precise operations, making it essential for surface mining in Beulah. The world's largest nuclear icebreaker, boasting an impressive 75,000 horsepower, is a marvel of engineering and endurance. Designed for the harshest icy seas, it combines advanced nuclear technology with superior ice-breaking capabilities. Its continuous power allows it to cut through thick ice without refueling, ensuring vital Arctic routes remain open for exploration and trade. In the thrilling tug-of-war, the tank's immense power and weight clash with the tractor's impressive pulling strength. While the tank represents military might with superior traction and control, the tractor showcases resilience and endurance. Despite the tractor's valiant effort, the tank's overwhelming force prevails, highlighting its dominance in this dramatic test of strength. The Vermeer T1255 surface miner, powered by a 650 HP Caterpillar C18 engine, offers a cutting width of 12.5 feet and a depth of 24 inches. Weighing 110,000 pounds, it features a durable conveyor system, high-pressure hydraulics, and advanced controls for efficient, precise mining. The Kunlun Bridge erecting machine stands at 40 meters long, 9.3 meters high, and weighs 967 tons. This formidable structure is designed to handle the assembly of large bridge segments with remarkable precision and efficiency, Its immense size and weight allow it to manage heavy loads, while its advanced hydraulic and automated systems ensure accurate placement and stability during construction.